Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you top apps by which you can easily get your Android mobile back if you lost it or misplaced in your home or in your office. Wherever you can easily get your mobile's location from any computer on laptop, but these apps must be installed in your mobile. First app name is, now here is three apps by which you can easily get. So first app name is Find Device. Open the Find Device app. Now here you have to log in by the account, by the your Google Gmail account, by which you have signed in your mobile. So first of all, click on the continue and enter your Google password. Now after entering your Google password, click on sign in. Now my device has been signed in. So now you can get your mobile's location like this. Here I have stated, now my mobile's location is here. So there are some other facilities by which you can get your mobile back. First of all, location. Second, the Samsung Galaxy is your phone mobile type, and also it is saying that it in your hand. It is now in my hand. Your mobile's battery percentage, and the network provider, and also you can play sound if you misplaced it in any other log in your and in any mobile. So first of all, click on the play sound. Now your phone will start ringing like this. So, and you can also click on secure device. So this app is one of the best app by which you can get your mobile back, lost mobile back, find your Android mobile. And now second app name is phone track. Lost is by which you can track your mobile. Now after login, this app is showing my mobile's location. So like this you can use this app, use your mobile GPS location and also on the map. So like this you can easily get your mobile's location. So this app is also very useful for your mobile, and you can also chat with anyone, or chat with any your family member which the member who have joined this app along with you. So this app is another best app to find your lost mobile. Now third app is Phone Tracker. Phone Tracker is one of the best app to secure to connect with your mobile, with your family and other members whom you want to connect it everywhere, and also you want to save. In this app is best app. You have to click on the help alert. If you click on the help alert and you have many new members in your mobile, so then the other member will also get the message your help alert, and they can easily get your mobile's location as soon as possible. So this app is one of the best app by which you can easily get your mobile back. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.